Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be changing the case of this watch. If you're following my channel, you would remember this Star Wars watch build I had done a few months ago. For new viewers, let me get you up to speed. There was a mismatch between the case and the dial. The case has the crown at 4.2 position, whereas the dial is designed for a 3.8 position case. This makes the dial look crooked inside the case. Today, I will be replacing this case with a case having the crown at 3.8 position. Let's start dismantling this watch. First, remove both the straps. This will make it easier to work on the case. Unscrew the crown. Carefully unscrew the case back. I'm using the rubber ball tool, but you can use other tools that you are comfortable with. Keep the rubber seal safe. We will need to reuse this. Remove the stem from the movement. Gently flip the case around upside down. The movement should pop out. I am keeping the previous stem along with the crown inside the case. Place the rubber seal carefully and screw the case back tightly. I will be using this case for another build in my next video. Now, this is the movement that we are left with, along with the dial and the hands attached. We do not need to change anything in this. The new case I am using is a full black metal case having the crown at 3.8 position. Unscrew the case back and keep the rubber seal safely. Unscrew the crown. Carefully place the case front on top of the movement. Align the 12 clock to the top of the case. The crown stem will get aligned simultaneously. Once done, flip the case around. Attach the crown to a new NH35 stem. Gently insert it into the movement. Push it till it clicks into place. Measure the length of the stem that needs to be cut. Remove the stem and unscrew the crown. Carefully cut the stem slightly longer than the desired length. Remember to cut the threaded side of the stem. This is the side where the crown is screwed on. Now, use a file to smoothen the cut and shorten it precisely to the desired length. Screw the crown back onto the stem. Gently insert it into the movement. Push it till it clicks into place. Place the rubber seal on the back of the case. And close the case back by screwing it in tightly. It's looking good. The dial no longer looks crooked. Let's now attach the bezel. I am using a white ceramic bezel with black markings. This goes well with the rest of the watch. Remove the double-sided tape. Align the bezel and push it to stick it firmly into place. It looks different, yet sticks to the original theme. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Attach the straps back on, and we are done. Please don't mind, I forgot to remove the protective plastic layer. Realized it while editing. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.